Hi everyone, this is Kiki and Fam, and hi to all my dear subscribers who have been supporting me all this time, and thank you to you all that I've reached where I am right now. I'm so grateful to you guys. Keep supporting me so I could be making more videos better day by day. And yeah, also this is an update since I haven't uploaded any more videos anymore. There is a reason behind it. I kind of lost my channel before, like 2 months ago. Some of you might have noticed, maybe, or maybe not. But yeah, since it has already passed, so let's keep the negative stuff away. And I'm gonna be uploading some new videos for the next year. Hope everyone would be excited for it. So yeah, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh, and yeah, plus Happy New Year in advance.